Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. And somebody sent me an email this morning and said they've watched enough of my videos and that they've never seen one where if you bring a graphic in that is CMYK in your laser engraver and you need all these converted to RGB, I've always just been able to select them and then just hit my RGB color palette and they're all RGB black now. That's all you have to do. He was concerned that maybe you could turn all these that were different colors, which you really can't. You could do them one at a time, but none of the colors match because these are CMYKs and there isn't not really that kind of a blue. But we're gonna back up here and kind of do a find and replace if you had some other colors in there and you just want to do the black. So now we got CMYK again. We're going to go to Edit, Find, and Replace. This is a little bit different in 2019 and above. We're going to go with colors. We're replacing objects. You can find objects, replace object, or find and replace text. We want to replace objects. So we're going to go with color. We're going to go with fills. We're going to click on here, and then we don't, let's say we don't know what color of black that is. Black, the K is 100. But you can always take the eyedropper and go over here to one of your black parts, and there's the K100, so that's what we're gonna find. Then you X this out, and I've already set this up, but it'll be a different, and then you just set it for RGB black. I only use RGB because I'm a laser engraver and it's gonna engrave better, and everything's gonna work a lot better. It's gonna be a lot darker than the CMYK. But once you have that all set up, just tell it which ones you want and then replace all. And there's 144 objects and it replaced it that quick. Now every one of my objects is RGB black instead of CMYK. Now there's really no way that I know of that you could do all the colors at the same time, but if you wanted to do all those, and like I said before, if you could select them all. Now, if we couldn't have probably done that easily if these shapes inside would have been, and I'm getting a little dizzy looking at that. So if you can't select all your shapes, that's when you're gonna wanna use find and replace, because if some of these are different colors, then you can't do that. So if we go over here and we're gonna do a find and replace on this, let's say this yellow. This yellow is definitely, it's a CMYK yellow. We're gonna go to find. Now you can select it and you can just left click and now you got an RGB. So that would be the way to do it. But you can always find and replace that the same way I did with this. Anyway, I hope that answered that question, and thank you for watching.